Guys, welcome again to my channel. This is Design with LEESI. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Old subscriber, thank you again for coming to watch this video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to create YouTube channel banner just like this. Okay, most of you have been asking me, how do I create my YouTube channel banner, okay, so that it fits in the YouTube desired size. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. Okay, all right. So first of all, let me explain what we are seeing on the screen here. So this full size covers this full size appears on smart TV and all other bigger television. If you are viewing your YouTube, if someone views your YouTube channel using those device. Okay, so let me go on to tell you something about this again. Then this other side appears on laptop, that's bigger laptop. It also appears on big screen also. Then this other size, only it appears, this size appears on all devices, that's ranging from smartphones, laptops, bigger screen. It also appears on that. So the aim, what we are targeting now, is to get all our text, everything we want to put it in. We make sure it should be between this size. So guys, you have to stay to the end of this video, because I will be giving out the this guideline which I'm using. I'll be giving out for you to download for free. So it will be in the link to this guideline will be in the description. So pay attention to this video as I will show you now. All right guys, so I'm going to clean this up and start afresh. Okay, so let me just save this first as a project. So YouTube channel. All right, so let me start a new project now. All right, so when you open up your Pixellab, if you are old to my channel, you should understand how to use Pixellab by now. If you are a newcomer, you can check among my videos. You will see videos about Pixellab, introduction to Pixellab. Okay, so this is available on smartphone. You can make use of this for designs. All right, so now our first step is to set your size. To set your size, quickly go down to this place. So let me change the color of this so you see. So quickly go down to this place, go down to this place, okay. So when you tap on that, you will see options by at the bottom here. So among this option, tap on image size. So when you tap on image size, you see aspect ratios here. So tap on the small arrow here, this small arrow. You're just going to tap on it once. So when you tap on it, you will see different aspect ratios here. So the aspect ratio we are going to be making use of is the YouTube channel banner. This one is the YouTube channel banner. So tap on that. So you can see the size here is 16 by 19 ratio. So if, in case you want to use a laptop to design this, or maybe Photoshop or any of that, so this is the size. The width is 2560, then the height is 1440. Okay, so after setting this, tap on OK. All right, so this is the size now. So what I will be doing now is to bring in my background. So I've downloaded a background that I want to use for my YouTube channel. So in case you have any background you want to use for your own, is all left for you. So to bring in the background, go to the plus button at the top left corner of your screen. So when you tap on that, you will see from gallery. So I'm going to pick this background from my gallery. Okay, so this is the background I want to use for this. So I'll tap on OK. All right, so I'll use the anchor point here to enlarge this background to fill the whole screen just like this. All right, so this should fill my screen. So I'll go to my layer, go to your layer, just tap on that to lock it to the background so that it doesn't move. So to lock it, tap on that padlock button just to lock it. All right, so we have got something like this. So the next thing is to bring in the guide. So the link will be in the description. Download this guide so that you can make use of it. So to bring in the guide, this is what you do. Go to the plus button again, tap on the plus button once, tap on from gallery to bring in this guide. All right, so I'm going to my gallery to bring it in. So I'll go to the folder where it is in my download folder. All right, so this is it. So I'm just going to tap on it once. Okay, so this is the guide. Tap on good. All right, so this is the guide. So leave it at the position it is, then hold this anchor point, the bigger one, to make it full your entire screen. Okay, not to overlap the screen, but just at the edge. It should touch the edge of the screen. Okay, so now go to your layer panel again to lock that down. Lock it down using the padlock button so that it doesn't move. All right guys, so this is where the tricks come in. So anything you are bringing in, maybe your text and all other information about your channel, make sure it is between this place. Okay, it should be at the center. All right, so that when you want to upload this design to when you want to make use of it as your YouTube channel banner, when you're uploading it in YouTube, we only pick out this point. Okay, if you are for those using smartphone, this is the only place that will appear on smartphone. So you don't want a situation whereby your information will span up to this point, meanwhile those on smartphone cannot read what cannot read the text you have on your YouTube channel banner. So that's what we are trying to avoid. So all your information should be between this center place. You can see the example I did, which I showed in the beginning of this video. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So that's how you create this YouTube channel banner. So when you are done, when you're done setting in your text and all that, what you have to do is to go to the layer panel to delete this guide, because this is just a guide to guide you. So when you're done setting in your text, so let's say I'll add a text to this center. So let's say I'll add a text to this center. So let's say channel name. So let's say channel name here. Okay, so let's say all my information about my channel that I want to add to my channel banner should be at this center where the name is. So when I'm done, I will just have to go to my layer panel to delete the guide. So select the guide and delete it. Okay, so that is all you have to do. So when you're done, you save it. Now save it as image. Tap on the icon, save icon, save as image. Okay, and that is all. So you can now go on to your YouTube studio and you know what to do to upload it as your YouTube channel banner. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get a valuable video from me every week, and don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.